Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the memory module, slide the base cover off the system. Identify the memory module and remove the tape. Unlatch the module and lift it out of the system. To reinstall the memory module, relatch it to the system and secure the pieces of tape. Slide the base cover back on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.